In this video, we are going to do question number 31, page 581 of your textbook. I have it rewritten right here, and this one is, we're going to use the half reactions to balance it in acidic condition. I have my handy dandy table here, and we're going to start by looking at which one is my oxidation and which one is my reduction. So what you're going to see first is that zinc is going from 0 to 2+. So this, I have a loss of electrons. So this is my oxidation. So this is my oxidation reaction. I'm going to have zinc solid that becomes zinc 2+ when it loses 2 electrons. And then NO3 is going to be my reduction. So I have NO3 negative aqueous, and it becomes NH4 aqueous. And since this is happening in acidic condition, there's a series of steps that I've listed here on the side that we need to take care of. The very first thing is balance any element that are not hydrogen or oxygen. And as you can see here, the zinc is okay, the nitrogen is already balanced, so we're okay there. Next, it says to balance the oxygens by adding water. So on this side, I have 3 oxygens. On this side, I have none. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write down NO3 and NH4. And I'm going to add 3 waters because I need 3 oxygens. Okay, so now those are even. The next step, it says to balance the hydrogens by adding hydrogen ions. So here I have 4 on this side and 6 on that side for a total of 10. And I don't have any on this side. So I'm going to have to go NO3 negative plus 10 hydrogens. And I'm going to end up with NH4 plus and 3H2O on this side. And then it says, make sure you balance your charges by using electrons. So let's see what we have here. So here we have 10 positives and -1. So we have 9 positives. Here we only have 1 positive, which means we're going to have to add 8 electrons. So 10 positives plus 8 electrons. So if I go 8 and 1 is 9 negative, 10 positive. That leaves me with 1 positive to balance this one out. Okay. Now it says, don't forget about the other reaction. I have to combine these two. So once we followed all the steps for this one, now we have the zinc that needs to go over here. And as you can see, I have 2 electrons on this side. I have 8 electrons on that side. Let's see if we can balance those out. And we can do that if I times this one by 4. Okay, so I'm going to end up with 4 zinc solid plus NO3 negative plus 10 hydrogens. My electrons are going to cancel out. I have 8 on one side, 8 on the other, so they canceled out. And now I have, and let's put the zinc first, since we put the zinc first over there. I have 4 zinc ions plus NH4 and 3 waters. All right, let's check our charges. I have 10 positives and 1, so I have 10 positives right there. And here I have, 10 positives minus 1, I have 9 positives. So that's 9 plus. And here I have 4 times 2 is 8 and 1 is 9 plus. So that's even. So there you have it. Balancing, having a balanced redox reaction using the acidic conditions.